Hey, all you fine spines. So today we're going to be talking about sleep. And what most people don't realize is that by getting regularly adjusted and seeing a chiropractor, you are actually helping with your sleep by doing that. So ways that adjustments are helping with sleep issues is we're helping just ease the body and just help your muscles relax so you're not feeling that tight and tension that you get when you're trying to relax and lay down and go to sleep. Also getting regularly adjusted, just stimulating that blood flow and circulation, really just also getting rid of that back pain and neck pain that some people experience as well too. Now, if you are a side sleeper, putting a pillow in between your legs while you're sleeping will take the pressure off of your hips and hopefully keep you and prevent you from tossing and turning throughout the night. Now, if you are a back sleeper, putting a pillow underneath your legs will help take some of the pressure and tension off of your low back and hopefully give you that relief that you're looking for so that we are able to get that good night's sleep. Now, with screen time and everything like that, the blue light that is coming off of our phone is stimulating the sun. So by wearing blue light blocking glasses and just putting our phone down before we go to bed, about a half an hour to an hour before we're finally climbing into bed and going to sleep, will help reduce that and help you fall asleep faster as well too. Those are just a few tips on some sleeping issues. Let us know if you guys use those at home and let us know how it goes.